At Transport for Wales, we value diversity.
Because we understand that each one of our employees is unique.
Just like you.
Hiya.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. Hello. Nice to see you.
What have we got here?
Puzzle pieces.
That's why we're committed to being one of Wales's most inclusive employers.
And creating a workplace where everyone belongs.
It goes that one first.
By hearing different voices
and understanding different perspectives.
Each of us helps you to travel more sustainably.
They look really cool.
We work day and night
so you can travel safely.
We get you where you want to go.
So that you can do what you want to do.
So you can spend time with loved ones, family or friends.
We point you to the right platform or bus stop
to get you on your way.
And we make the right local investments.
So that more of you can use our services.
Like a pale green.
Wherever you come from.
And however you got here.
Whatever you believe in.
Whether you speak Welsh or English.
Yeah, with the blue, I think, yeah.
Whoever you love.
And however you identify.
We understand community.
Because we're part of it too.
And we value your journey.
Because we value everyone's journey
to belonging.
We're proud of the things that make us different.
But we still share one common goal.
Okay, that's that.
To keep everyone moving.
Now and in the future.
With more sustainable travel choices.
That protect our environment.
That's why together we're thinking differently.
To build an integrated transport network.
Everyone in Wales can be proud of.
That's why together
we are Transport for Wales.